G here, and we're fixing to cook us up Whopper. How about that? We got some clean oil. We got it going. I got it already started, so this won't be edited here. The French fries are the same thing as we did for McDonald's. They're the same thing, but I'm gonna see what the ingredients in it. And we'll get that started right there. Okay. Unedited is my unedited version. Okay. We got hamburger. Okay. So we're gonna go like this right here. Okay. Okay. Let's do 2 of these. Okay. We got 2 of them. Okay. How about that? Okay. We'll get our mustard. Our butter. I call it mustard all the time. Okay. There you go. Got that right there. Cooking. Okay. Put that on there. Like that. Let's go. Okay. Now. Okay. French fries. Oh yeah. Get them cooking. Right, got that cooking. They got bread. This is my version. You see what I'm doing here, right? Cutting the metal plate off. Get that bun done. Okay. Grab that bun. All gonna go in the belly anyway, right? Okay. Get a little bit more bread here. Onions here. Okay. See how fast this is? Pretty fast. Let's it out. That off. I got that right there. Ow. Salt and pepper it. I like salt and pepper on mine. Okay. Salt and pepper it. Okay. Put that to the side for a minute. Hey, got a flame broiler, okay? Okay? Got a flame broiler. Okay? Good. That's how you flame broil it, baby. Okay. Rainbow. Right. Aha. Bet you never seen that before, have you? Right. Alright, now. So we gotta get our stuff out here. Yeah. Right there. Right there. Right now you up here the meat, right? Cut that off. And we messed up the bun, didn't we? Right, but that's okay. We're gonna eat it anyway, right? Okay, so you got that. Okay. Right now, put our onions on it. Diced onions. Right? Diced onions here. Alright. Diced onions. Alright. Diced onions on there. Okay. Now, and we're gonna put this. We're gonna put a little bit of salt on it. It's the same sauce. Okay. Sauce is quite good actually. Okay. My version of a Whopper, people. Okay. Put that on there. Yeah. Okay. Mayonnaise. Gotta put mayonnaise on the top run. Okay. Okay, you gotta have a piece of lettuce. Okay. Like that, so like that. Okay. Look how fast that is. As fast as the video. That's how fast it is. Okay. Right. And cut our tomato up here. Okay. Okay. Go. How's that look? Huh? Okay. 8 minutes, man. Check that out. Okay. We go 8 minutes. Alright, you see that, didn't you? Okay, so you gotta put a pickle on it. Dill pickle. That's what they use, dill pickle. I'm just gonna eat mine on the side. Okay? So right there, just gonna eat mine on the side. Okay. This is what happens when you don't edit. Okay, ketchup. Alright. Look at that. Okay. We didn't get no cheese. I got cheese. put cheese on it. Not gonna put it in the microwave. I like it cheese cold anyway. Okay. Look at that hamburger. Look at that, people. Look at that. Look. Huh? Mmm. It's floppy. Mmm. Uh-huh. What do you think? Mmm. Oh, yeah. That's good. Let's put that back in the freezer. Mm. 11 minutes, look at that. Look at that. Mm. That's a Whopper. Mm-hmm. That's a Whopper. Mm-hmm. Check that out. Huh? Well. Mm. That's really good. Mm. 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 Now, 2 more minutes. Mm. No editing. One more minute. Mm. Okay, there you go. There you have it. We failed. We failed on 15 minutes or less. Put it in the comments. Say, Gator, you failed at 15 minutes. That way I know you watched the whole thing. Huh? You guys are one of a kind. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. We did it.